Hey guys, it's Roseann from LIVFITT, and I'm just about to blend up a LIVFITT green smoothie Pina Colada. Simple ingredients, simple to make. I have in my blender here 2 handfuls of spinach. You can use any greens that you want. 1 cup of pineapple. It could be fresh or frozen. I've got just about a third or half of a banana. 1 cup of coconut water. You can also use coconut milk. I've also included about 2 tablespoons of coconut flakes. Topping it off with 2 scoops of Orgain simple plant protein powder. 2 drops of doTERRA lime essential oil and about 6 to 8 ice cubes. Blend this bad boy up and it makes a refreshing breakfast, lunch, dinner, or dessert smoothie. Great because it stabilizes your blood sugar because it's got everything, fats, protein, carbs, and fiber. And the pineapple is awesome to aid digestion. So I hope you'll check this green smoothie out, the Pina Colada, and other smoothies that I have on my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, just hit me up at info@livfitt, LIVFITT.com. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and other recipes, and have a safe, healthy, happy day. Make it green. Enjoy your smoothie. Bye for now.